Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Rumble application as a complete beginner. So whether you want to watch the content, upload your videos or earn money from it, I will walk you through everything step by step. So make sure that you stick around till the end of this video because we will be talking about the monetization tips and how you can grow your Rumble channel faster. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, we will start by downloading and installing the Rumble application on your device. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Rumble. So this is the application that we are talking about. It is from Rumble Inc. and it has the name Rumble Videos and Live Streams. So you need to download and install it in your device first. Then when you open it, it is going to basically ask you to sign in or create your account here. Now before you create your account on Rumble, let's just briefly understand what is Rumble exactly. So as you have seen in the Google Play Store, Rumble is a video sharing platform that is grown in popularity as an alternative to YouTube. It is known for free speech, monetization options, and less restrictive algorithm. People use it to watch the viral videos, share their content, and even earn the ad revenue. It is available for both Android and iOS device. So whichever device you are using, you can just simply download and start using it. The best part is that you can also get access to it with the help of your desktop. Now here, once you have installed the application successfully, the first thing that you need to do here is to simply click on the option of sign up. Then you need to sign up here with the help of your email account. You can also use your Google account, your Apple account, and your Facebook account for it. You need to choose a username as well, and you need to verify your email address with the help of the verification code. Now once you have done that, this is going to be your section where it is going to ask you what are you into. Basically, among these options, you need to select your three interests. After selecting it, you need to simply press next here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now it will start showing you some of the most popular creators here on Rumble. So you can tap on any one of these here, then press the option of next here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now you can either just take a look at the demo of Rumble or you can skip it if you want to. There you go, you have successfully created your account here on Rumble. This is going to be your home page where you are going to see all of the trending videos, the new uploads and the recommended content. So based on the interests that you have selected, it is going to basically show you the live streams and the content over here. You can also tap on the option of the top live categories and you can view them, and you can just change the videos based on your other interests. Basically, you are going to see this search bar here on the top, so you can just simply tap on this search bar. Then you can just simply look for the channels or the keywords or the creators over here with the help of it, just like we do it in YouTube. You can also tap on any of the videos that is playing over here, whether it is live or not live. So you can tap on it and start playing it. You can also swipe down or swipe ways to exit it. Now when you open any of the videos, let's say I have opened this one. As you can see, it has the like option, the dislike option, share and the comment option. So you can just simply like the videos if you like it, you can dislike it if you want to, you can share it with your family or friends. You can also comment here by clicking on the comment option. You are also going to see the reposts option here, and just like we do it in the YouTube application, you can also subscribe to the channel if you want to. So now let's talk about uploading the video. So here you are going to see the option of create here in the middle. So when you click on the option of create, you can upload your own video from your device. So when you click on the option of upload video, it is going to ask you for some of the permissions. So you need to allow these. Then you need to just upload the video from your gallery. You can also use this camera icon in order to create the video for your account. Let's say when you have created the video, you can tap on the option of next here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Similar to YouTube, you need to add the thumbnail of your video, then the title of your video, the description, then select the channel on which you want to post this video. You can select the primary category for the video, then you can select the second category of the video. Once you are done, simply click on the option of next here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you can select the visibility of the video, whether you want to make it public, private or unlisted. Once done, you can click on the option of submit in order to submit the video on your channel. So it is going to take a few minutes for the process to complete because the length of the video might be different in your case. So you need to wait for the process and it will appear on your channel in no time. Now let's talk about the monetization on Rumble. So Rumble is going to basically offer you 4 type of licensing options. First, you are going to have Rumble only. With the help of it, you keep your full control and earn from the ad revenue. The second type of monetization is the video management, in which Rumble helps you distribute and monetize your videos across the platforms. It is also going to give you the exclusive monetization option, with the help of which Rumble owns the full rights, but you may earn more. Then, if you want to keep your channel for the personal use, there will be no monetization. Now, the best part about this platform is that you can start earning from day one if your videos get the views. The payment are made through PayPal, or it can also be come with the help of your bank account once you reach the threshold. So here, in order to basically make changes into your earnings, you can tap on your profile icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you are going to see the number of followers that you have, the number of followings that you have, and the likes on your videos. Then when you tap on the option of earnings, you can just see how much you have earned this month, this week or this day, and you can get the earning in your account. Now from here you can basically track all of your videos related performance, your earning, your engagement status and your withdrawal funds that you have earned on Rumble. Now if you want to go live here, that too is also possible. So when you come here on the home page of Rumble, you need to tap on the option of create here again. Now the second option would be of going live. So when you tap on the option of go live, it is going to ask you to download Rumble Studio first. So you need to install Rumble Studio. Then basically it is going to redirect you in the second application of theirs, which is Rumble Studio. With the help of it, you can do live streaming. You need to have an approved account and you can also request live access first. Now, once you are approved, you can go to the channel's dashboard and go live. You will need a RTMP key and software like OBS if you are using PC. For mobile, as I've told you earlier, you can download their Rumble's account and you can log in into it. Now let's talk about how you can grow your channel here on Rumble. So here are some of the things that I would like to let you know. Like first of all, you need to post consistently here, at least 1 to 3 times per week. Your thumbnails should also be clear. As you can see here on the home page, everyone that is using this platform are using good amount of thumbnails. So you need to use good thumbnails here. You need to share your Rumble videos on Twitter, Telegram and other platform in order to get the engagement. You can also engage with your audience with the help of the comments, and you can use the tags and categories properly so that your videos get discovered here in the Rumble's algorithm. Now Rumble's algorithm favors the new uploads. So early consistency also going to help you a lot if your videos are engaging enough. Now apart from the videos ads, Rumble also allow creators to join Rumble ads for channel monetization. For that, you can tap on the option of profile icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you can tap on the option of get premium plan and you can join them. You can receive the tips and donations from the fans, and you can license your videos to the news and media outlets. You can even check if your viral video was picked up by the Yahoo, MSN or other publishers. And that's it. That's how you can start using Rumble application as a complete beginner. It is an exciting platform with solid monetization and a fast growing audience. So let me know in the comment section below if you want a full video on how to go live or any other topic that is in your mind. If this video helped you out, make sure that you don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.